Hello, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to my channel, Healthify My Cuisine, and my name is Seema. Today's recipe is fennel seed powder or Sauf powder. This is an important spice of Kashmiri cuisine, and sometimes we don't get it in our markets or supermarkets when we are away from home, away from Jammu and Kashmir state. Here I will show you how to prepare fennel seed powder at home. In a kadhai, I have taken whole fennel seeds. I prefer the slim ones, and we have to roast it so that it locks all the oils inside and its shelf life is also increased and all the moisture gets evaporated. In the same way, I prepare cumin seed powder also. As you can see, I had just finished preparing cumin seed powder. Roasted on low flame. Keep stirring continuously. It should not burn. Keep stirring till you feel it has turned brittle or no moisture is in it and all the oils are locked inside. This way I prepare turmeric powder also. I get all the whole spices from market and I prepare these, and a little dash of these home ground spices give authentic aroma to your dishes. Roast it and grind it well in a mixer, and it's not properly and powderly grounded yet. We will have to strain it through a strainer. Straining it through a sieve ensures that you get this fine powder, and whatever is left will grind it again. And lastly, I keep the remaining what I cannot, because too much of heat, if when it gets subjected to too much of heat, it loses its nutritive value. So in the mixer it gets subjected to too much of heat also. So I'll not grind it further, not for third time. I keep this broken fennel seeds in one jar. This aids in digestion, this prevents anemia, this helps in controlling your flatulence. It's a natural antacid. It's a mild laxative also. It's good source of potassium, that means you can control your blood pressure with it. So I keep this in a jar, airtight jar, and I make a decoction out of it, and I generally drink on alternate days or whenever I feel headache or any sort of such things. It can also act as a mouth freshener. It aids digestion, that's why it's kept on the menu last thing in the restaurants when we finish eating our food. This is the fine powder. You can store it in the jar. It's a good source of vitamin C also, fiber and folate. So it aids your digestion. It helps in bloating and constipation. You can drink it as a tea if you want to cure your menstrual cramps. Some girls do have pain in stomach or menstrual cramps. You can give them this fennel seed decoction. So you can see how fine powder and how aromatic this masala turns when you grind it with your own hands or mixie. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching till end.